The new Jaguar for me is excellent. It's been a phenomenal machine.
It has variable speed drive, more hydropower, and it's more stable on all the hills.
Horsepower. There's no replacement. It is a beast. No doubt it's a beast. My name is Don Peters. I was born and raised here, Auburn, New York. I'm fourth generation on this dairy farm. We're just nicely getting started in harvest. We're looking at approximately 20 more days. Currently, we're on our 6th Jaguar chopper. One thing that has been great with the CLAAS choppers is we've never lost a day due to a breakdown.
We started chopping corn yesterday. It is a little different being on duals because you're 17 foot wide instead of 10 foot wide, I believe they were. The 498, we have the variable speed header drive and auto contour. It's a pretty nice feature because it automatically contours with the ground.
Well, we like the cabs considerably better. They're more comfortable. Visibility is better. The variable speed drive, that's been a nice addition to the chopper. The dual wheels in wet conditions definitely hold up better, hold the machine up. Horsepower, you can't beat the horsepower. Accessibility and serviceability are a must, and the CLAAS Jaguar has it. Dealer support can't be beat. If I do have an issue, they're here within an hour. The CLAAS Jaguar processor does an excellent job processing corn and yet doesn't destroy the fiber. I think we've been using CLAAS for 18 years. We run CLAAS mowers, we run CLAAS rakes, we run CLAAS choppers. If there's not a problem, you don't try and fix it.